Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine and doing well. Dear viewers, today I am going to share with you very beautiful, very fantastic, very awesome and very latest wooden decoration designs ideas. There are most attractive, most beautiful, most stylish and most fantastic wooden decorations designs looking very nice and very attractive. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. There are very fantastic, very awesome and very attractive designs of wooden decoration pieces. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Dear friends, first of all, I suggest you to kindly watch this video till end and keep spotting and keep watching my channel. And also press bell icon because after pressing the bell icon, you may get new notification of my all new videos. There are most attractive, most stylish, most superb, most amazing and most fantastic wooden decorations designs available here for you in this video. You can decor your lawn with these beautiful, amazing and most fantastic wooden decoration pieces. You can also decor your houses with these beautiful, fantastic and superb decoration pieces. Very amazing decoration items, very unique decoration items available here for you in this video. You can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces online from different websites. Like you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive decoration pieces online from Etsy.com, eBay.com, AliExpress, Amazon. As we know that all these websites are very famous and you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces from here. There are very unique, very amazing, very stylish and very superb designs. At the end, I again request you to don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep spotting, keep watching my channel and also write about this video in comments. Take care and Allah Hafiz.